Welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most challenging and isolating experiences a person can face: long-term solitary confinement. This extreme isolation impacts both the body and mind, yet people have found ways to cope and survive. Let's explore 18 insights into how individuals endure and adapt to solitary confinement. Did you know that many individuals in solitary confinement create daily routines, such as exercising or cleaning, to give structure to their days? Routine helps create a sense of control and normalcy in an otherwise monotonous environment. Did you know that prisoners in solitary often use mental exercises, like solving math problems or reciting poetry, to keep their minds active and prevent cognitive decline from the lack of stimulation? Did you know that some prisoners practice meditation and mindfulness to cope with the isolation? Focusing on breathing and being present can help reduce anxiety and manage the stress of confinement. Did you know that individuals in solitary confinement sometimes develop imaginary friends or personified objects to talk to, creating a sense of social interaction to mitigate feelings of loneliness? Did you know that creativity plays a huge role in coping with solitary confinement? Many prisoners draw, write, or even craft with limited resources, using creativity as a way to express emotions and stay mentally engaged. Did you know that prisoners often use memory exercises to keep their minds sharp? Techniques like mentally mapping past places they've visited or memorizing song lyrics help them maintain cognitive skills. Did you know that individuals in long-term solitary confinement can experience profound sensory deprivation? Some cope by heightening their other senses, focusing intensely on sounds, smells, or textures to stay grounded. Did you know that some prisoners develop rituals around meals as a way to mark time? Since they receive meals at set intervals, these moments become anchor points that help them organize and track the passage of days. Did you know that self-reflection is a common strategy for coping in solitary? Many prisoners use the time to reflect on their lives, process past trauma, or set personal goals, which gives them a sense of purpose. Did you know that some prisoners use exercise as a coping mechanism, performing bodyweight exercises like push-ups or sit-ups daily to stay physically fit and release built-up tension? Did you know that prisoners sometimes create journals in their minds, mentally writing stories, letters, or recording daily thoughts to give themselves an outlet for expression? Did you know that many individuals turn to religion or spirituality while in solitary confinement? Praying, meditating on spiritual texts, or contemplating religious ideas can provide a sense of comfort and resilience. Did you know that visualization techniques are commonly used in solitary confinement? Prisoners might imagine themselves in a place they loved or visualize their future goals, which helps them escape the mental constraints of their cell. Did you know that maintaining hope is crucial for survival in solitary confinement? Many prisoners focus on thoughts of family, future freedom, or reuniting with loved ones to keep a positive outlook in dire circumstances. Did you know that people in solitary often use their imaginations to create complex mental worlds? Some will build imaginary houses or travel mentally to distant places, finding mental escape from the confines of their cell. Did you know that humor can be a surprising tool for resilience in solitary confinement? Some individuals find ways to laugh, even if it's by telling themselves jokes or recalling funny memories, which provides relief from stress and isolation. Did you know that prisoners in solitary confinement sometimes find meaning through small acts of defiance, like creatively hiding items or using their food trays in non-traditional ways? This gives them a sense of autonomy and individuality. Did you know that journaling, when permitted, or writing letters to themselves or others helps prisoners process their emotions, reflect on their lives, and build a narrative that provides meaning and coherence to their experience? We hope these 18 facts about surviving solitary confinement shed light on the resilience of the human spirit. Despite extreme isolation, people find ways to cope, adapt, and even grow, illustrating incredible mental strength. If these insights captivated you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more explorations into human psychology and resilience. Let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.